Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the another topic in the chapter human capital formation. The human capital and economic growth. The human capital must be assigned a key role in the economic development, particularly in a country with large population. Trained and educated people make the efficient utilizations of physical capital. Similarly, the healthy person contribute to the process of growth by the providing the regular service for longer time period. So education and the health with any other factor on the job training, migration, job informations, and enhance the ability of individual to generate more income. मीन्स ह्यूमन कैपिटल फॉर्मेशन जो इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ डेवलपमेंट में की रोल प्ले करता है एंड द कंट्री विद लार्ज पॉपुलेशन अगर इफ़ दे हैव ट्रेंड एंड एजुकेटेड पीपल दे हैव कन्वर्टेड द better utilizations of physical capital through the increased productivity with the higher rate of participation. Human capital helped in accelerating the growth of process, ensuring the social and economic change in desired direction. Similarly, rise in the per capita real income facilitated higher investment in education, skill development, implying human capital formation. So it is in education, skill development, implying human capital formation. Thus, it is the difficult to establish a cause and effect relationship between the economic growth and the human capital formation, as the relationship between them flow in either direction. Human capital and human development. Sometimes generally people presume that human capital and human development are similar terms, but actually they are two different concepts. As we have already seen, the formation of human capital referred to the investment in education, health, clean environment, etc. Whereas human development is the broader concept. It is the process of widening up people choice as well as raising the level of well-being achieved. The difference between human capital and human development can be made on the following count. Means human capital is regarded education, health as a mean of increased labor productivity, whereas human development, it is in the process of human development. Education and health are regarded integral human being, and human well-being can be achieved only when the people have the ability to read the right, apply their knowledge to the derive maximum benefit, lead a long and healthy life. And next, human capital considered human being as a mean to achieve their end. Therefore, if the investment in education health does not increase output, it regarded as unproductivity. The concept of human development considered human being as an end in the themselves. Investment in education and health are the considered if good if they are result in increase in human welfare in respective of their contribution to labor productivity. So human development perspective where every individual has the right of basic education and basic health care. And the problem facing by human capital formation in India is first high growth of populations and insufficient training to labor engaged in primary sector, growing gulf between the supply and demand of the professional and brain drain. So India in transforming itself into knowledge economy, but however there are various problems in the process of human capital formation. Thank you.